Hey, my super quick tips on using your new RÉDUIT hair device. So when you first get it out of the box, please do charge it. The charger goes in there. It will glow red whilst it's charging. Once it's green, ready to go. Then you select your hair pod of choice. This is the precision conditioner. Twist off that little cap that's on the top. Keep that to one side because you've got 20 uses in there, and you put the cap on in between. When you put it into the device, it's important that you've got the RÉDUIT logo here and that the writing on the pod is the same way up. So you turn it in, put it in at slightly on the side angle, twist it to 12 o'clock and it clicks, you're ready to go. So it's simply a case of pressing the button on the back of the device. It's a 30-second treatment, that's all, because the misting of the nanoparticles will go into the hair shaft just in that short amount of time. You move it around the hair, it will stop vibrating every 5 seconds to give you a nudge to move on. If you want to concentrate on perhaps your ends, you might want to move it down here. If you're working on the mid-length, you'll move it around here. But all in all, you want to get a full even treatment and a full coverage of the whole of your hair.